If you're looking for an AI tool that takes your video creation to the next level, look no further than Hailuo AI Minimax. This new powerhouse tool is making waves in the world of AI video generators, offering unparalleled ease and creativity for anyone looking to produce high-quality videos. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a small business owner, or an aspiring filmmaker, Hailuo AI Minimax is your ticket to professional-grade videos without the hefty price tag. Let's get started. Step 1. Get started. Head to the official Hailuo AI Minimax website or download the app on your device. Sign up for a free account and access the dashboard, which offers a clean, user-friendly interface to get started immediately. Step 2. Enter your video concept. In the idea box, type a short description of the video you want to create. For example, a futuristic tech demo with vibrant neon lights, or a peaceful nature montage with calming music. Step 3. Choose video preferences. Select your preferred video style, resolution, and aspect ratio. Hailuo AI Minimax offers options like cinematic, vlog style, animated, and even infographic-based designs. Step 4. Export your masterpiece. Once satisfied, export your video in high resolution. Whether it's 1080p or 4K, Hailuo AI Minimax ensures your video is ready for any platform. Conclusion: Hailuo AI Minimax is the ultimate tool for creating high-quality videos without breaking a sweat or your wallet. Its intuitive design and robust features make it a must-have for creators in 2024. Ready to dive in? Try Hailuo AI Minimax today and watch your ideas come to life like never before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome content about the latest AI tools. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.